Hi, Earl. We are just getting started with the microwave treatment. Tell me why you're having this done.
We're having this because we've had trouble with urinating and also had different infections which we've taken medication for, like Proscar, and that you said has helped, but I still have to get up during the night and during the day. I think.
So the medication hasn't really proved all you hoped it would be.
Absolutely.
And you had a few episodes of blockage?
Right. And then that's kind of you treated.
Where you couldn't urinate at all?
Right. You give me medication.
Earl, we're about 5 minutes into the treatment now. How do you feel?
Fine.
Are you perceiving any heat?
I feel some heat.
A little warmth down below.
Down below.
Is it painful?
Not yet.
Not painful.
It's
Good.
not painful.
Earl, we have a catheter placed in the urethra with a balloon in the bladder to hold the catheter in place, and the microwave filament, the antenna, right in the middle of the prostatic urethra, so that the radiating microwaves will go out into the prostate on either side. If you have a feeling of urination, needing to urinate, that's from the balloon placed in the bladder, and that will go away soon.